This is a 2024 Toyota rav4 Hybrid Limited. Today we're going to reset the maintain light. So today we'll use this button here. Up, down, left, right, enter, and back. Okay. And the first thing we're going to do is start up the car like normal. Start up like normal. Once that is started up, we're going to use this screen here. So what you're going to do now is just push left or right. Doesn't really matter. Once you do that, it's going to pop up this, show this, 2, 1, 3, or whatever. So you can leave it on any number you want. Just say we can leave it on number 2. After that, you can hold down the OK button. That's going to pop up. See all this thing pop up here? So now you're going to scroll down. Just scroll down until you see, say, setting. Like I said, skip there. After that, you hold down the OK button. After that, you go down. And you hold down the OK button again. Then you go down to schedule maintenance. Push OK. Then push up. And push OK. And it should reset completely. After that, just push the back button to go back. And that's it.